Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp Web on Chrome. First off, you need your mobile device sitting close to you. And after that, you need to go to the search bar and type web.whatsapp.com. Few seconds after clicking enter, you will be transferred to WhatsApp's web page, where you can see the QR code which you are gonna be using for connecting your WhatsApp with web. And now, as I mentioned earlier, you need to have your mobile device close to you because you need the device for establishing the connection. You need your mobile device for scanning the QR code. By scanning the QR code with your mobile device, you are giving your web browser an authority to access your WhatsApp. And now I will show you what you need to do from your mobile device. Head over to your mobile device and find WhatsApp. As you open the application, head over to Settings. In this section, you need to open Linked Devices window. And now you need to click Link a device. Now move the camera from your phone on the QR code and scan it. As you can see here, by scanning the QR code, you sync every type of data from your mobile WhatsApp application to your WhatsApp web. This is how to use WhatsApp web on Chrome. Thank you all for watching and see you soon.